Hi, good day. M6361. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, Madam and Sir. I'm Soledad Tagum Najor, 48 years old. My birthday was September 14, 1977. I have five children and a single mom. Uh, I am a graduate being an office administration. So,
Okay, for 2 years.
yes.
Okay, how many children do you have? Five
I have five
ages.
age 30, 20, 27, 26, 21, and 19 years old.
So your children was already adult. Okay.
Yes.
So tell me about your experience as a helper.
Yeah, before I'm working abroad from Kuwait, it must be 2 years and finished contract with them. I'm taking care 3 years old boy and a newborn. So it must be three adult and two child when I'm there. I'm focused working, taking care of the babies.
Okay. And you have also experienced being a helper in Hong Kong
Yes, of course, I have.
for three employers, right?
Yeah, I've been there 4 years.
Okay.
It must be two contracts and supposed to be extended, but they go already to China. So I choose to go home Philippines first to see my children.
On your first employer.
Yeah, and my
Okay,
first.
on your second employer.
On my second employer, I'm working with them. They are three in the house. Um, and I have pet too, the small dog. I'm focusing only cleaning and cooking for them.
Okay. Then your last employer.
Uh, Also, I'm just focusing how to handle the household chores, marketing, washing clothes, and so on because they are adult on already.
Okay, and also you are car washing, right?
Yeah,
How many car do you car wash?
only one and
Every?
washing every once a week.
Okay, once a week.
Yeah.
So why suddenly break the contract?
Because my mother very very serious in hospital, so I need to see.
What happened to your mother after
Uh,
that?
my mother died already when I go home, so
Okay.
I couldn't come back anymore.
So you ask your employer's
Yeah,
permission.
I called already to my employer that I didn't come back again because I have many things to settle in my hometown.
Okay, that's why. Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper for almost 4 years in Hong Kong and 2 years in Kuwait, right? And you also
Uh-huh.
take good care of a newborn baby. So you know
Yes.
how to prepare a milk for a newborn.
Yes, of
And it is okay to
course.
you to take care of a newborn again.
Of course, of
Okay.
course.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
Check first the temperature, um, her tummy, if what happening, the diaper is if it is full,
Okay. And if
and
the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, you check the temperature, you feed the baby, you also change
mhm,
diaper, but won't stop to cry, what will you do?
uh-huh. So I need to call my madam, saying that her baby was couldn't stop crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
Wow, Hong Kong is a very nice place. Having a safe country and open also. Having good employers, of course. Then a nice people. Then of course high offer salary. So I want to go back in there to save my money and provide all the needs of my family as well.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
If given a chance, I want to work 2 years onwards and extend again and again.
Okay, so it is okay to be extended, right? Okay,
Of
for sure you
course,
have an idea how to prepare Chinese food.
I have more idea.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Oh, um, more on steam, boiling, uh, frying.
Okay.
Okay.
So you know how to steam fish.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. If your employer prepare foods, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, of
It
course.
is okay to you to share job with other helper.
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Of course, yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
It's up to my employer if
Okay.
they need me.
On that day.
Yeah.
Okay. It is okay to you to take care of pets.
Of course.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, of course.
Um, if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes, of
Okay,
course.
my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Um, Hi employers there, please hire me. I have a good experience in Hong Kong. I want to go back there because I am honest. I want to serve your family with all my heart. And if you hire me and extend again and again, I am willing to stay in there because I'm alone in my house because my childrens go abroad already. Only my youngest in my house and stay in his boarding house. So I'm alone in
So
my
it is
house.
okay to you to be extended on your employer and you could work
Yeah,
as long as you can.
yeah, and
Okay.
I will take good care of your children and uh, taking care like my own
Okay.
son and daughter.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Soledad. Thank you.
Thank you so much.